Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer GitLab projects while preserving group permissions step by step clearly. To transfer GitLab projects while preserving group permissions, begin by logging into your GitLab account. Navigate to the project you wish to transfer. On the project homepage, click on the Settings menu on the left sidebar. In the Settings options, select General. Scroll down to the Advanced section. Click on Expand to reveal more options. Locate the Transfer Project option. Here, you will see a drop-down menu labeled Transfer Project to. Select the target group or namespace you want to transfer the project to. Make sure to check the provided information about group permissions. Review the implications of transferring the project, ensuring that you understand how group permissions will be affected. If everything looks correct, confirm your selection by clicking on the Transfer Project button at the bottom of the section. GitLab may prompt you to confirm the transfer again by entering the project name to avoid mistakes. Type in the project name exactly as it appears. Once confirmed, click on the Confirmation button. The project will now be transferred to the new group, along with its settings and permissions. After the transfer, verify that the group permissions are preserved as expected. If needed, recheck the project settings to ensure everything appears correct. Finally, inform your team about the project transfer and any changes in access permissions. This completes the process of transferring GitLab projects while preserving group permissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.